Hey there, and welcome to another random review. So today's review is going to be this here iOS cable, phone cable, charging cable, whatever you want to call it. It's branded as eyesworld 6-foot nylon braided cable. Yes, this will be pretty quick. It arrived in this bag and was coiled around with this here sort of wee Velcro strap that you would sort of mostly get on laptop chargers. And the good thing about this is that it does slip off over this end, so you can slip that off and throw it away if you don't like it. And you're left with a cable. So although the seller is called eyesworld, the cable is branded as a Potok cable. So it's quite a thick cable. It's heavily braided. It's quite rigid. I don't think you're going to sort of pull it apart or kink it too quick. The ends seem well formed, pretty solid. The terminals seem quite clear. There's no signs of corrosion. This here I thought was actually silicone from the pictures, but it's actually like a hard plastic, so it's probably actually a good thing because it means then the braiding goes into something solid and seems to be quite well formed in there. So this end's the same, solid plastic on the USB end, and the terminals inside seem pretty clear, and there's no signs of corrosion. Yeah, so this here is the 6-foot cable. So what we'll do now is if I get this here, little extension lead, and we'll plug in an official iPhone charger. Get in, you pig. Okay, and then we're going to use this here, which is a little USB voltage detector. Okay, so it detects the amps. So we'll plug this in, and I have here an official iPhone cable. Now, yes, there is a little bit of tape over that, but it's not for the fact the cable's damaged. It's just for the fact that there was a kink in the cable. So I've been using this here and checked this cable, and this here official cable hasn't changed since I got it. So if I plug this into the output and plug it into my daughter's phone, we can see that this here is delivering with the screen off about 0.7 amps is flowing through this and into the battery of the iPhone. Okay, so it's jumping about a bit. So if I take this out and plug in this eyesworld cable, I'll switch the screen off. Okay, so it's delivering 0.79, 0.77, 0.8 amps into the phone to charge the battery. So the transfer in this here is as good as what the official cable gives. Yeah, and it's a good length. I bought this here for my daughter so that she can use her phone whenever it's charging beside our bed, without having to lean over beside the bed. So even though the cable is 6 foot, there's not a lot of loss through the cable. It's charging quite low at 0.7 amps, but for this here iPhone, that's totally fine for the battery. It can't take a fast charger, so that's absolutely fine. So overall, yes, I'm pretty happy with the cable. Can't really complain. It's good and thick. The shielding on it's good. The braiding on it's very tight. And I think it should stand up quite a lot of abuse for my 8-year-old daughter. So hope this helped, and thanks for watching.